Once upon a time, there was a little kitten named Goody. She was small, cute, and very curious. Goody loved to play in the green garden near her home. One sunny day, while playing among the flowers, Goody saw something white on the grass. She stopped and looked closely. "Oh," she said, "what is this?" It was a small egg. Goody gently picked up the egg with her tiny paws. She looked around and thought, "Who does this egg belong to?" Just then, a mother bird flew down from the sky. She looked very worried. "My egg is lost," the bird cried sadly. Goody smiled kindly and said, "Is this your egg?" The bird was very happy. "Yes, that is my egg. Thank you, little kitten." Goody carefully walked with the bird to a nest on a tree. The wind was blowing, but Goody did not give up. She was very careful. Soon the egg was safely placed back in the nest. A few days later, something wonderful happened. The egg cracked open and a baby bird came out. The mother bird and Goody were full of joy. "Thank you for your kindness," said the bird. Goody felt very proud and happy. That night, Goody went home, curled up next to her mother, and fell asleep with a smile on her face.